Hi, I'm Amy from St. Mary's County Library, and today we have a fun experiment that you can do at home with kids. And the whole experiment is in the book Kitchen Science Lab for Kids by Liz Lee Heinecke. And I have a paper copy because I do a lot of experiments at home. But you can also get this book on our Hoopla app and download it so that you can do this experiment and lots of other really fun experiments at home with your kids. So, the first thing that you need for this experiment is a very small container that has a lid that pops on and off. So I have a yogurt container with a pop-off plastic lid, or a Tupperware container that has a pop-off plastic lid, or you could use a film canister that has a pop lid, which is what the experiment really calls for. But not everybody has a film canister at home. That's okay, just use a Tupperware or a yogurt container or something like that. You're going to need a tablet or two of an antacid, an effervescent antacid like Alka-Seltzer, and you're going to want more than two, to be honest, because you'll want to do this over and over again. It's really fun. You're going to need some bubble gum, and you're going to need some water. Now, this is an experiment that really needs to be done outside. So let's go outside and see how this works. Okay, so we've got all of our pieces set out here together, and I'm going to take the gum, have somebody chew it. It's been pre-chewed for me by my lovely assistant, and I'm going to stick it right in the middle of the yogurt lid. Stick it on there really good. And then I'm going to take my antacid tablet and stick it in the middle of the chewing gum. Make sure that it sticks really good. Okay, it stands up kind of straight. Next, I have filled my water cup. I filled my water cup about halfway, and I'm going to put the lid onto the cup and then turn the cup upside down and put the lid on the ground after I've sealed it really, really tight. And then I'm going to run backwards, and we'll see what happens. Woohoo! So, why did the cup pop up in the air? The antacid tablet is made out of citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda. The water releases the citric acid and the baking soda, and the chemicals that are in the citric acid and baking soda then combine to make carbon dioxide gas. And that's the same gas that's in soda pop, and that's what makes it fizzy. The gas builds up in the yogurt cup and creates a lot of pressure until pop! The cup goes flying up in the air. Thank you for joining us for Science Fun. Join us every Monday at 2, and we will have a new experiment and something else fun that you can try at home. Also, don't forget, check out Science Lab for Kids on Hoopla. You can download it and get lots of other really fun experiments to try together at home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.